Hey y'all, it's Hadassah back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. If you're not new here, hey girl, listen to this. I thought I was filming, but I never pressed the record button. And I'm upset about that because I had like a whole Christmas unboxing for y'all. Like everything, like red ribbon, everything looking Christmassy with my green sweater, and y'all weren't even able to see it. So I'm not recreating all of that. So I'm just showing the red ribbon, y'all. It was on this box right here. Okay, this box was in another box. I got the gift wrapping. I'm upset at this point because I did not press record like a donut head. So box open. This was wrapped, but yeah, now it's out. So this is the bag, and what I was telling y'all when I discovered that I wasn't filming. So this is the bag that I got right here. This is the Coach Studio bag. What I was telling y'all is that I actually see like fingerprints on this bag, and also the strap came stuffed in here like this. So I pulled this out, but it's still like, because this is like a structured bag, now it's kind of gaping right there. But then I also see some other stuff on the bag, and I don't think y'all can see it on camera, but oh yeah, you can see that one right there. Like there's like a white spot right there, and that's like the same that the fingerprints are. Y'all can't see the fingerprints, but the fingerprint is like right here. So let me see if I can turn my lights down at all and get any better of a view for y'all. Okay, you can see it right there. You see how that right there is like a fingerprint. So, and then there's like another one up here. But yeah. I am going to go get some baby wipes just to make sure that I can actually wipe this off. I think I can wipe this stuff off, which I shouldn't have to. Coach, come on, not for my Christmas present. I think I should be able to wipe it off, but let me just go get a wipe and check, okay, y'all, because I might have to take this back to the store if I can't, if this is something else that's not wipe, that I'm not able to wipe off. We'll see. Okay, y'all. So I have a baby wipe here. I'm gonna start with this one right here. Y'all can see that one right there. Let me see if it comes off. I actually don't know, y'all. I don't know if it is. I am able to wipe it off. I might need to take a trip to Coach. But let me take pictures of this. Let me get my other phone. I'm gonna take pictures of this just in case I can't get it off, so they can see what the damage was. Okay, so I took some pictures, and okay, that came off.
Yeah, okay, so that came off. But y'all, this is ridiculous. Why am I having to do this in my bag? That's what I want to know. Why am I having to do this in my bag? And now I'm just looking everywhere on the bag. Yeah, this stuff will come off. It's just, this one might require a little bit more elbow grease, but it'll come off. Okay, I'm not gonna trip. I'm just wiping down the rest of the bag with the baby wipe. That's disappointing that I have to do this to the bag, honestly. Very disappointing. Yeah, you just have to put some elbow grease into it to get it off. But yeah, it does look like it is wiping off. Yeah, it's like something sticky a little bit, which is so weird, y'all. It's so weird.
Well, that wasn't a fun unboxing for me. But yeah, I am really excited about the bag though. The bag itself is gorgeous. So I guess, you know, let me go ahead and open up before I say I'm definitely gonna keep it though. and make sure that the inside doesn't really have anything wonky either. So, okay, so the inside is, you know, they're like suede material. Oh. So there is, I throw the dust bag over there, but yeah. Of course, it comes with a Coach dust bag. Like, looks like that. And I'm just gonna take the rest of these like little silica packs and everything out of here. But yeah, y'all, I was really excited about this bag, and that was a disappointing. Y'all know I love unboxings. Like, y'all know I do. But that one was disappointing, to be completely honest. Because why am I having to take stuff off of my bag? Like, why am I having to do that? And honestly, y'all, I'm not even somebody who's like super picky about bags. I'm really not. And there's something right there. Okay, like if there's, you know, like I'm good, which is why I am gonna keep the bag. Yeah. I think I just need to like polish it a little bit too, like after I get finish getting the stuff off of it. But I'm not gonna complain too much. That is, I'm not gonna complain too much. Okay, y'all, so I finished taking all of the wrapping off, and this is what the Coach Studio bag that I got looks like. So the color of this is wine, and then it's brass. So I've loved the Coach Studio bag since I saw it, and I wanted to get it, but it was like, it wasn't, you know, like the format that I wanted it to be in, like the colorways, the canvas, the material, none of them were exactly speaking to me. So if y'all don't know, Coach, on their runway show, they, you know, basically showed what bags they were coming out with. And they have a quilted version of this that's like a metallic purple. And then it also has a like a chunky chain on it that's super, super gorgeous. And I'll insert pictures for y'all so y'all can see. But I was like, okay, I already know I'm getting that bag when it comes out. Point blank, period. Getting that bag when it comes out. I've been on the lookout, like, okay, when's it gonna come out? So I think it was last week or possibly a week before last. It was available. It wasn't available. It was on their site as coming soon. And so I was like, oh, it's coming soon. And then I saw it said like Coach Studio 19. And I was like, 19? Because y'all, I thought it was this is the regular size. This is like the full size studio bag. And I thought, like, you know, when you see the pictures, you don't know what size the bag is. So looking at the pictures, I was just like, oh, that's the regular studio in the regular size that I'm going to be getting. But when I saw it was the 19, I was still on board, but honestly, I was a little disappointed. I was like, I don't know. I don't want that size in this bag. So I decided that I wasn't going to get it because it wasn't, you know, 100% what I wanted. And so, yeah, I didn't get it. So and they don't even have, the purple isn't available now anyway. I'll leave links down below and everything, but the purple isn't available. The, it was like were they calling it a sage green? I think they might be calling it like metallic sage or something. It was like a metallic greenish blue color. But I'll leave the name. But yeah, that one is actually available right now. And y'all, $6.95. The price for that one is $6.95. And it's smaller. And so basically, okay, so this one retails for $4.95. So basically, I don't know, they're charging $200 for a chain plus a smaller bag. It is what it is. The chain is super cute. I'm gonna be honest, the chain is super cute. I actually did order a separate chain for this one. I might insert pictures of what that looks like because the chain isn't here yet. Because y'all, I was not expecting this bag to be here by Christmas because I didn't order it until after their Christmas cutoff. But I got it in 2 days. So yeah, that was awesome shipping. Awesome shipping. I don't know if that contributed to the flaws that, you know, my bag had at all. But also, I don't know if it's fixed right now. I'll see once I post the links. Y'all, Coach had this bag. When I bought this bag, the pictures on Coach site, on the Coach retail site, were completely wrong for this bag. So this wine color that you see, it looked like a muddy brown color. It looked more brown, like this. It's wine, so it's gonna be like burgundy brownish, but it looked more like a chocolatey, muddy brown color on their website, and they had grouped it with their other bag that's in this croc print, which is black, and then the hardware on it is pewter. Okay, the bag they have, the first bag that came out of this was black croc print and pewter hardware. On the Coach website, the picture I saw, like I said, the bag looked like a muddy chocolatey brown, and the hardware was also pewter. In the pictures on Coach's website, the hardware was also pewter. And looking at that picture, I was like, I don't want that bag. Like, that is not cute. Why would they put that pewter hardware like with that ugly brown? Like, whose idea was that? But then I actually looked and read. Look, reading is fundamental, y'all. It really is. And it said B4/wine. And I was like, okay, so that's not the right color, you know, kind of in the pictures for the bag. And then also B4, like, that's not pewter. Like, the other one said pewter. I was like, that's brass. So me being the investigator that I am, I then proceeded to Google Coach Studio bags to see if I could find this one somewhere else. And I was able to. I found it at Dillard's. I found it at Neiman Marcus. And they, on the other hand, had awesome, amazing pictures to actually let me know what the bag was. And it was this bag. And I was like, okay, I have to order this bag. So, yeah, that's what made me, you know, pick this as one of my Christmas presents. Not the pictures on the Coach website, like I said, because those were horrendous. Like, highly disappointed in Coach for what was on their website, because the pictures were completely wrong and were showing this with pewter hardware. I think they might have had one pic. Did they even have one picture? They might have had one picture that showed it was gold. I think they might have since, did they? Yeah, I think they added some pictures at some point. But anyway, it was the pictures on the other websites that sold me, because this bag is so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. It's like, and I was thinking, I was like, I don't really have any burgundy bags. And like I said, the color of this is wine, but it's kind of like that burgundy color. And then I love burgundy and gold. Like, I love that combination. So you have the wine and the brass, and it's like chef's kiss. And like I said, I do plan on kind of, let's see. So this strap actually isn't removable, which I was thinking that it was actually, but now I see that it's not. So just keep that in mind. The strap is not removable, but I am gonna add like a chain on here. I think I'm gonna try to find a chain to match this and add it onto here, and then do something with the strap. Honestly, I might just cut the strap off. Honestly, I really might do that and just have my chain on here, because this would have looked amazing with, you know, an actual metal chain versus, I mean, this is fine too. Like, it's not like, you know, this isn't functional and it doesn't work, but it's not really the vibes that I'm going for always. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna at least add like hopefully a chunkier chain to this bag to kind of, you know, make it look exactly how I want it to look. But yeah, so just to go over the bag, so it does have this closure, so you have to push, let me see if I can show holding it up. You have to push it and then like lift this up. So that's how it opens. And it opens up like this. This is what it looks like on the inside. So you do have a kind of pocket in here to put things. You have the main compartment, and then you have another slip pocket at the back, and then as well as a pocket right here with the Coach Story patch right there in front of it. So yeah, that's what the inside of the bag looks like. And as far as the back, like I said, it does have this slip pocket that they put the strap into, which makes it gape a little bit, but that'll go down. I'm not super concerned about that. And then it has, oh, it actually has like a clochette here, and there is a key on the inside of here. So I see there's wrapping on that, so I have to take off. And then there's the Coach hang tag, and of course this adjustable strap that is not removable. Keep that in mind. Bottom looks like this, and you see how it kind of has these compartments right here, where your slip pockets are on the inside. You can see those at the bottom as well. The glazing looks nice on these, so I'm not super concerned about that. But oh yeah, also on the I wanted to show y'all on this part and up close. So yeah, it does say Coach right there on that part. And closing it, you just see it snaps. I love the sound of it snapping. But yeah, if you don't, I don't know, if you don't really like having to push to get into your bag, that could be a concern. This might not be the bag for you, because you definitely have to go ahead and push that and slide it up. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I think it makes the bag more secure, to be honest. But yeah, and let me try to turn the lighting down a little bit so you can see the color better. Okay. Yeah, this is like a really good representation of the color right here. So it's definitely, I would definitely say it is like that wine color, and then the brass hardware. But yeah, this is super, super cute. I'm honestly in love with the bag. Like I said, I feel like I'm a little deflated though, because the unboxing experience was not giving at all. The fact that I had to clean my bag, like I said, I still think I need to like kind of polish. I think I'm gonna get some like leather cleaner, but this will like definitely come out. And yeah, that's the only thing. The unboxing wasn't giving at all. I am disappointed in that, especially, you know, with it being a Christmas present. That's disappointing. But yeah, I am going to do comparisons of this bag and what fits in later videos. I actually have to run right now. I am definitely going to do another video where I show, you know, what fits in this and everything. But yeah, size, this is a good size bag. I definitely want to compare it to the Cassie for y'all, because I actually think this will hold more, I think, than the Cassie, and then also the Marley as well, just, you know, give you an idea. But yeah, I love this bag. Like, this is like the perfect silhouette. I love the big C that Coach is doing. And yeah, I think it's a super, super gorgeous bag, especially, you know, like in this croc print color hardware. This is like perfect, and there was definitely a need for this in my collection. I'm so happy to have received this for Christmas, and I hope you all enjoy your holidays. This is something that I got, and I definitely wanted to share with y'all. And if you know, if you've been thinking about this bag, have any questions, definitely leave them down below. Like I said, I'm going to be dropping another video shortly where I can hopefully, you know, do a more in-depth about this bag. Yeah, because this was just an unboxing and like show and tell type of situation. But anyway, as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.